Disaster, destruction, and death descend on 5 Southern California counties. Tons of water submerged 30,000 square miles of populous beach and valley towns in the Los Angeles area, leaving 200 persons dead or missing. With property damage estimated at $25 million, what once were streets and boulevards now are raging torrents of swirling floodwater. "20,000 persons are reported homeless as the tide undermines dwellings. The specter of disease hovers over the area as sewage systems burst with the rushing water that carries all before it. Railways and all other means of communication are out of commission in the worst storm ever to hit Southern California. Long Beach is under the rush of water that swirls toward the ocean. Pathé staff photographer Mervyn Freeman brings exclusive pictures of destruction riding the flood as a North Hollywood bridge falls victim to the elements.